Hi, my name is Judy Bullam. I am a chiropractor. I'm also a Dao practitioner. And I'd like to share how Dao allowed me to help others. I have a colleague who was having a hard time sleeping from coughing too much after catching COVID. So I offered to give her a Dao blessing. And after one session, her cough went away right away, and she was able to get a good night's sleep. So I am very grateful to Master Sha for empowering us with these tools to help ourselves, our loved one, and others.